Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this gold and peach cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette for the peach shade, and I'm using this to create the cut crease shape. After I have the shape I want, I go back over it with more color and then blend it out. Next, I'm using a makeup remover and Q-tips to cut the crease and remove any excess eyeshadow. Then I'm going over the cut crease shape with the L'Oréal Infallible Concealer. Next, with the gold eyeliner, I'm using the Mehron Metallic powder and using this right along the cut crease shape. Next, I'm creating a winged eyeliner shape with the same peach color that we used before, and I'm blending it out for a faded look. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette for the dark orange red shade. And I'm using this to darken the eyeliner shape. Then I used a cream colored eyeshadow to fill in the blank areas. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and topping this with false lashes. For the lips, I'm using a peach colored lip liner and filling in the lips. Then I use an Urban Decay Naked Tan lip gloss. And that completes this peach and gold cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you guys again soon.